Hello, my name is Rimantas. I'm a yoga teacher from Lithuania, and just now we're finished fourth lesson of Shatkarmas, where I was explaining for people how to clean your body, your organism by doing different yogic techniques. And we had 4 lessons, we had 4 meetings, we were doing it online all month. And today we were learning how to clean your your nose passages by doing Jala Neti and Sutra Neti. And after all that, I decided why not to share with you some useful information how you can do it by yourself. And today I'm going to show you how you can clean your nose, how to clean your nasal passage by doing one of the yogic techniques, Jala Neti. This technique, what do you need in this technique? You need some kind of pot. This thing that you see, it's called neti pot. And why do you need that? You put inside it warm salty water. Warm salty water, you need to put in about 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. You need to mix water, and after that you put warm water into this neti pot. What you're doing after that? After that, I will try to show you how it looks. You take neti pot, put it into one of your nostril, then you turn your head, and from another nostril you see how water starts to go off. And you do the same with both nostrils. I will show you in a minute. I will take a camera with different hand. It will be much easier for me to show you. And I put it to the different nostril. And the same happens. One of the things what you should do after, it's very good after doing Jala Neti, it's to remove all the water from your nose, and you can do it like that. You just bend yourself a little bit and you start doing small we're calling it Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati are one of the techniques where you need to make small and fast. You make small and fast breathing, and basically that's all. All what you saw here now, you can do it daily. It's a daily hygienic method. Yes. Now a little bit, a few words about what when we are doing this technique, what does it make good for us? So we need to understand if our nasal passages are have some kind of microbes, some kind of dirt, we cannot breathe fully. If we cannot breathe fully, our body, our whole system does not get good oxygen. And we need good oxygen. For example, our brain needs good oxygen to work properly. All kind of organs need oxygen to work properly. Our blood needs oxygen to work properly, and so on and so on. And oxygen are very, very important. So when we're doing Jala Neti, when we're making it through our nose, at first we're removing all kind of dirt, all kind of bacteria from this place. Also, when we're doing this technique, you see our eyes are very, very near to this place. When we're doing Jala Neti, our eyesight becomes better. Also, we're removing all kind of dirt, all kind of problems that relates to sinuses. It means, you know, that some people are have all kind of problems due to their sinuses. So if we are doing Jala Neti, it helps to prevent us from getting some kind of bad things to sinuses, and a lot of different things that relate with this place. We need to understand that if we keep our body, our different parts of body clean, it helps us to be more quality, more efficient, and more effective in our life. So yes, so I can only recommend you to try Jala Neti, to try this technique. If you have some kind of pot, you can try it right now. If you don't have, you can find some kind of thing like this and just try. Just remember, warm water, warm salty water, and for example, to this kind of, it's about 200 milliliters. I put about 1 gram of salt. And usually you can make it for 1 liter. 1 liter is always enough for both sides. It means one side about 500 milliliters, another side about 500 milliliters. So 1 liter is very enough. But if you will make like 250 to one side, 250 to another side, it will also be very good. And you will immediately see, you will immediately feel the feeling what happens when you clean your nostrils. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful for you, and see you next time.